Hi, hey, hello! This is teacher Aliona. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we are learning most natural and most bombastic English ever. And also, this is the place where we practice your accent and pronunciation. Today, we're diving into the world of amazing American English, exploring some idioms, slang, and collocations that will help you sound very, very American. So grab your popcorn and get ready for a wild ride. Let's go! Yada, 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 bom, bom, ka, ka. This is Aliona. She's been trying to find a job these days and has had a lot of job interviews recently. So let's ask her how this one went. I don't know, I panicked, I stuttered, it felt like I couldn't find the words and they just jumped out of my head and I'm not sure I'm getting this job. Landing a job these days is pain in the neck. It's almost impossible to land a good job, let alone remain professional and calm in a job interview. Not to stutter, not to panic, and not to let all the words just jump out of your head. Sounds like you? I've got a solution. OfferGoose will prepare you for the interview. Stand by your side. OfferGoose is your real-time interview coach. Don't worry about being too nervous to speak during interviews. Additionally, you can enhance your interview skills through mock interviews. Practice live with AI interviewers, get immediate feedback, and refine your skills on the spot. OfferGoose has helped a lot of my students land their jobs in different spheres. So what are you waiting for? OfferGoose is what you've been looking for. Use the link in the description to this video and download it right now. The first expression takes us to the heart of Brooklyn. Imagine someone saying, "Hey, that's a mad brick." What would you respond? Brick might sound like a really weird choice of words, but in New York slang, it means something is extremely cold. And it's a mad brick out here. Next expression takes us to the sunny beaches of California. Picture this. You're chilling with your friends and someone comes and says, "Hey, what's the scoop?" Is the person talking about ice cream? In California, it means what's the latest news or information. So if you want to sound like a native speaker and you actually are going to California, that's the golden ticket. Leave some weird scoop you've heard recently in the comments down below. I love discussing something like this. Next expression takes us to
Washington, D.C.
So, real monument moment. What do you think it means? You're right, no reference to any sort of sculptures or monuments, but this phrase we use to signify something monumental, fundamental, significant, important, vital, essential, key. Thank you for being in a short class of synonyms of the word important. Don't forget that in American English we say important. Just a reminder. So when you're in Washington and you're using monument moments, you will definitely sound like a local one. Now let's hop over Texas.
You can call me anything you want, but don't call me that.
One of the expressions you can hear in Texas is
All hat, no cattle, no cattle. All hat, no cattle, no cattle.
it actually means when someone talks big but doesn't actually deliver. A perfect situation to describe the usage of this phrase is when I went to the movie theater to watch a Marvel movie. I'm a huge fan, you can quiz me. And my sister also said, "Oh, huge fan, I know everything about Marvel. This is my favorite universe." But when the movie started and the events started unfolding, my sister was like,
Can you explain to me what's happening and who this is?
"All hat, no cattle." Now let's head west to the laid-back vibes of Hawaii.
Knock knock. Who's there? Hawaii. Hawaii who? I'm good. How are you?
Here you might hear the phrase,
Okay, well, hang loose, dude.
this expression means embracing the spirit of the island and take it easy. The universal sign of hang loose in Hawaii is when your pinky and thumb are stretched and you wave to the side. So kick back, relax, and hang loose. And there you have it, friends! Fantastic American idioms that will make you the talk of the town. If the video was useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. It will help to support my channel. One last thing, be safe, sound, and see you around. Love ya! Mwah.